This video is not meant to replace the operator's manual as a source of technical operational information. It is always the operator's responsibility to read and comprehend the operator's manual furnished with the machine. Welcome to Komatsu's Technical Tips video for dual-ported type hydraulic excavators. Some of Komatsu's hydraulic excavators are single-pump machines with what we call DP, or dual-port pumps. Basically, the PC138 to the PC160 are built this way. We would like to show our technicians a little-known method using a built-in device which can make your work on these dual-port machines more effective. We will use the PC138-10v01 excavator to show you the device called the pressure bolt and how it works to properly release work oil pressures. Here, in the hydraulic valve room, we'll show you the seldom mentioned pressure release bolt. Later, we will also demonstrate it for you. First seen in the PC160-7 and PC138-10v01, it is also sometimes called a plug.
We're going to use a 1/2-inch ratchet so we can get plenty of torque on our cover bolts, short extension, and a deep well 19 for our cover bolts. Some of our bolts have plastic vinyl covers we need to pry off with a screwdriver. Then the tools for the pressure plug is a long extension and a 17mm deep socket. We need to take the 4-bolt cover off of the hydraulic tank so we can vent the cap on the hydraulic tank. This cover has to come off to get to the hydraulic tank cap.
Manually loosening, we want to count turns of this bolt counterclockwise so we don't loosen it past 9 turns, the full thread count. We'll only loosen it 50%, or 4.5 turns. In the unlikely event the work equipment is stuck off the ground with both a dead engine and a weak pilot accumulator, here is a solution that keeps all of the work oil contained. Originally seen schematically as a plug or missing diagram symbol, currently it is missing from -10 schematics. Here in the PC88MR-8 cutaway, we see the number 18 pressure release bolt at a 90-degree angle to the number 17 combo or centralized safety suction valve, which is the combined safety and suction valve. Notice how either device can open red work oils into the green tank chamber and return circuit. We can slowly remove this bolt or plug to release this red work oil properly. Next, we'll examine the PC138-10 hydraulic schematic and see that there is no such plug by symbol. However, in the PC138-10 cutaways view, we see the number 19 pressure bolt called out and assembled into the safety suction valve number 17 filter. This makes the bolt 180 degrees from the safety suction valve location. Also, this releases all pressure in the improved PC138-10 safety suction valve's filter screen. This pressure bolt has 9 threads, so we will only loosen it 4.5 turns, or halfway. Precautions. Here we have 2 precautionary steps. 1. Be sure to vent the hydraulic tank cap, and 2. Guard the equipment or bucket landing area. Once loosened a full 3 turns, you will see the boom lower or hear oil passing to tank. Quickly complete a total of 4.5 turns loosening or counterclockwise of this 17mm bolt. Keeping it at 3 turns only may cause damage to the minor diameter O-ring seals, so be sure to loosen it a full 4.5 turns. Let's review. We have performed these steps. We kept our area cleared and secured. We then removed our 4-bolt tank cover and 2 valve room door bolts. Next, we vented the hydraulic tank, and then we opened the valve room door. Next, using a 17mm socket with hand ratchet, we loosened the pressure bolt 4.5 turns as we keep the equipment and bucket area clear in case of movement. Finally, we retightened the pressure bolt or removed and cleaned the safety suction valve filter, followed by the reassembly of the filter and bolt for a leak test engine run. If there are no leaks, then this means we can then assemble all covers and doors. Always consult your current machine shop manual before doing any of this work, and please review this video at any time. Thanks for watching.